If you've ever sat down at your desk and spent 10 minutes just plugging in cables for your Dell XPS 15, you know the struggle. I got tired of the mess, so I bought and tested the top 5 docks to see which one actually handles the XPS power needs and dual monitor setups without glitching out. Here is what I found after living with them.
Product number 1. Hodo 8-in-1 USB-C docking station. When I first pulled this Hodo dock out of the box, I was surprised by how light it is. It's definitely more of a travel hub than a heavy-duty desk station. I hooked it up to my XPS 15 and was able to get my dual monitors running, but keep in mind, if you use that VGA port, everything drops down to 1080p. It felt a bit plasticky compared to the official Dell gear, but it didn't overheat while I was working. The real thing to watch for is the power. It says 100 watts, but my laptop only saw about 87 watts of that. For an XPS 15, that's usually enough for office work, but if I was rendering video, the battery would slowly drain because it couldn't keep up. The 3 USB 2.0 ports are fine for a mouse or keyboard, but don't expect fast file transfers from a thumb drive here. If you're a student or someone who moves between coffee shops and needs something cheap that just fits in a pocket, this is a solid choice. It's not a powerhouse, but it gets the job done for a fraction of the cost of the others.
Product number 2. Dell WD22TB4 Thunderbolt 4 dock. This is the big brother of the group. As soon as I set the WD22TB4 on my desk, I could tell it was built for a permanent setup. It has a nice weight to it, so it doesn't slide around when you plug in heavy cables. My favorite part is the 130-watt power delivery. Unlike generic docks, this one actually talks to the Dell BIOS correctly, so I didn't get those annoying slow charger warnings on my XPS. I pushed this one hard with 2 4K monitors and a bunch of external SSDs. Everything stayed snappy. It's got 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports on the back, which is huge if you want to daisy chain other fast gear. I also noticed the modular design. You can actually swap out the internal module later if connectivity standards change, which is a nice touch for future-proofing. It even has a power button on top that lets me wake up my laptop without opening the lid. If you're a professional who wants a set-it-and-forget-it experience with zero compatibility headaches, this is the one I'd put my own money on.
Product number 3. Dell Pro Thunderbolt 4 Smart Dock SD25TB4. This smart dock feels almost identical to the WD22TB4 in terms of build quality, solid, matte black, and very industrial. However, the smart part is really aimed at people who manage a lot of computers. When I was testing it, I noticed it has built-in Wi-Fi and remote management features. For me, sitting at home, I didn't use the Intel AMT or the remote console much, but I can see how a tech department would love it. Performance-wise, it's a beast. I hooked up 3 displays and it didn't even break a sweat. It delivers that same 130 watts of power to the XPS 15, which is the magic number for keeping that laptop charged under load. It's also made of 65% recycled plastic, which is a nice bonus if you care about the footprint of your tech. The 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port is a massive upgrade over standard docks if you have a fast home network or work with large files on a server. If you work in a corporate environment or just want the most secure, high-speed connection possible, the smart version adds that extra layer of tech.
Product number 4. Dell SD25TB4 Pro 180-watt adapter version. I noticed this version specifically comes bundled with a few extra accessories, like a cleaning cloth and some cable ties, which actually came in handy for tidying up my desk. The dock itself is the modular SD25TB4, which means it's built to last. I love that I can pop the module off if I ever need to upgrade the cable or the ports without replacing the whole expensive brick. During my testing, I tried out the 8K display support. While I don't use an 8K monitor daily, I hooked it up to a high-end TV, and the 40 gigabits per second bandwidth handled it perfectly. The port layout is great. I especially like the USB-C port on the front for quickly plugging in my phone. It's got plenty of USB-A ports on the back for my older peripherals too. It's basically the deluxe package of the smart dock. If you're someone who wants the extra peace of mind of a 3-year warranty and a few extra tools to keep your setup looking clean, this bundle is the way to go. It's overkill for a casual user, but perfect for a high-end workstation. Product number 5. Dell Thunderbolt WD22TB4 130-watt version. This is essentially the core version of the WD22TB4. Handling it felt familiar. It's that same reliable, heavy-duty build. The 180-watt power adapter that comes with it is what allows it to push 130 watts directly into the XPS 15. I tested this by running a heavy stress test on my laptop, and the battery stayed at 100% the whole time. That's the benefit of staying within the Dell ecosystem. The data transfer speeds are where this thing shines. I moved a 50 gigabyte video folder in no time, thanks to that 40 gigabit per second Thunderbolt 4 speed. It's got a great mix of ports, including 2 display ports and an HDMI 2.0, so I didn't need any weird adapters to get my monitors working. It doesn't have the smart remote management features of the SD series, which honestly makes it a bit simpler for a home user. If you just want the fastest possible data speeds and the most reliable charging for your XPS without the extra corporate smart features you'll never use, this is the sweet spot for most people.